In my kitchen, me there. Welcome back to Daddy D TV, guys. Today I'll be cooking some curry goat with some pumpkin rice. So this is the pumpkin that I'll be putting in my rice a little later from now, and this is the goat. I already washed off my goat. I washed it in some water and I add a little vinegar as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get it seasoned up, get some seasoning on it now. Right, so I'm gonna get some garlic on it. Yeah, that's my garlic. Then I'm gonna get some all-purpose seasoning. Is it all-purpose? I think this is a jerk seasoning, so I get some on it as well. Get a little all-purpose. Yep. So now I'm gonna add some curry to it again. Okay. So that's the curry, all-purpose jerk seasoning. And I'm gonna give it a good old stir. Yeah, guys, I've got measuring stuff, but to be honest, I'm gonna take my time now to measuring stuff. I know exactly the amount of seasoning I want on it, so you know, I'll just go ahead and just get it in there. Anyways. Right, so this is my goat curry, or curry goat as we Jamaican call it. Yeah, man. So as soon as the pot get hot, guys, I'm gonna get the goat in the pot. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Yeah, guys, welcome back. So yeah, I'm gonna add the teaspoon of curry in the pot. Yeah. Maybe a little. Yeah, put. Alright, so that's maybe 1.5 teaspoon. Yeah. Alright. So now, guys, I'm gonna get the goat in the pot. Alright, let me get a cover. Come on, that one simmer. Simmer for a bit. So the next thing, guys, I'm going to move into is my pumpkin. I'm going to get my pumpkin peel and get it in my pot to boil. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back, guys. I'm going to check my pumpkin now and see if it's cooked. Come on, pumpkin ready, yeah? Yeah, it's good, so I'm gonna get my coconut milk. I'm gonna get my coconut milk in now. So yeah. I'm gonna add another one. Yes, I'm using 2 coconut milk. Yeah, man. And then cayenne, or spring onion, and some thyme. Yeah. And this bad boy here. green pepper in. Yep. And then I'm gonna add some vegetable stock. Vegetable stock. And I forgot 4 vegetable stock. So I'm gonna give it a turn around and spin it around. You know what I mean? Turn it around, spin it around. Yeah, so that's it. Something else. Yeah man, good old butter. I'm gonna add some butter as well. And this is what we call it stick butter. Guys, the stick butter. Yeah man. Jamaican stuff, yeah? So I'm gonna get half of that in there. Okay, that's it. So as soon as this comes to a boil, I'm gonna wash my rice and get it in, yeah? So stay tuned and watch what's going on there. Watch the progress, yeah? Welcome back guys. Now I'm gonna check on my curry goat. Seems like it's finished. So I'm gonna check on it, see what's going on. Yeah? Yeah man. Oh yeah. Yeah, soft purpose. Soft and tender. So yeah, that's my curry goat. Yeah. Pressure cooker has done its job. So now add a piece of ginger in there. Now I'm gonna get some spring onion in as well. And get some spring onion cut. Yeah. Dice up some spring onion. Yeah, man. So now I'm gonna add my spring onion and some scotch bonnet to the goat. Piece of butter. A piece of butter. Add a piece of butter in there as well. Yep. Give it a stir. Spin around. Yeah man. Yeah man, this is it. It's kicking, it's kicking, it's kicking. Yeah. Well, let me show you what's going on what's going on in my pumpkin pot as well guys. You can see pumpkin rice finished. Yeah man. Some pumpkin rice, Daddy D style, yeah? Yeah man, this is my pumpkin rice. This is my pumpkin rice, yeah? Daddy D style, yeah man? Yeah man. Around here. In my kitchen with it, yes? So yeah, pumpkin rice finished. So let's go and stay and chill a bit. I'm gonna add a few cubes to my thing. Just maybe. I mean, you do add a little salt, but let me taste it and see what's going on. So we get this. So what's going on, guys? Daddy D style. Cherry curry. Cherry curry, wicked. Yeah, man. Welcome back guys to Daddy D TV. So let me show you the finished product. This is the finished product of my pumpkin rice and curry goat. Yeah, so I'm gonna dig into it and let you guys know what's going on. As you can see on this side, I've got some homemade coleslaw. I made it myself. Yeah. And this is the curry goat. Yeah man guys, this one is a hit. This one is a hit, guys.
Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so nice. Proper. Nice. Pumpkin rice, and curry goat.
It's nice here.
Wow, finger licking good.
So in the meantime, what I want you to do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. So have a blessed day. Catch you in the next one, guys. I'm out. In my kitchen, me there.